In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automated emails from Google Forms using your Gmail account. This simple process can boost your productivity and ensure seamless communication. Let's dive into the steps and make this a smooth experience for you. First, we need to head over to Google. Open your web browser and go to the Google homepage. This is where we'll start the sign in process. Once you're on the Google page, look for the sign in button, which is usually found in the upper right corner of your screen. If you haven't already logged into your Google account, click on this button to enter your credentials. After you've successfully signed in, now it's time to access Gmail. On the Google page, locate the Gmail link. It should be at the top right alongside other Google apps. Clicking on Gmail will take you to your Gmail dashboard, which serves as the hub for managing your emails. From the Gmail dashboard, to proceed with setting up automated emails, we need to navigate to the Chrome Web Store. Start by finding the waffle icon. This is the grid icon representing Google Apps, usually located near your Google account icon. Click it and a drop-down menu with various Google services will appear. Here we're looking for the Chrome Web Store. Once found, click to enter the store. In the Chrome Web Store, the search functionality will be your best friend. Locate the search bar and type in automated emails. This will help us find the right tool to facilitate the automation we're aiming for. A list of extensions should appear, so take a moment to review them. Look for an extension that suits your needs best in terms of features and compatibility. Upon selecting an extension of your choice, click on it to view more details. When you're ready, look for the Add to Chrome button. By pressing this, you'll initiate the installation process. Follow any prompts to complete the installation. This extension will integrate with your browser and assist in automating email responses directly from your Gmail account. Now that the extension is installed, it's essential to configure it according to your specific requirements. Open your Google form that you want to connect with automated email responses. Make sure the form settings allow for collecting email addresses, as this information is crucial for sending automated responses. Use the extension to set up rules based on form submissions, ensuring emails are sent accurately to recipients once they complete the form. And there you have it. With these steps, you can automate your communication through Google Forms, enhancing efficiency and accuracy in your email correspondence. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in automating your emails through Google Forms. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more useful tutorials.